Hey everyone, and welcome to my AirTM review. Links are in the description below. AirTM is a unique crypto payment app perfect for individuals and businesses needing a reliable way to exchange and manage money, especially in regions with limited financial access. Convert local currencies to USD, stablecoins, or other cryptocurrencies. AirTM provides flexible solutions for those in economically unstable areas. With over 400 payment methods, including bank transfers, digital wallets, and even gift cards, AirTM is incredibly versatile. Its peer-to-peer network lets you exchange money directly with others worldwide, making it popular with freelancers, digital nomads, and those sending remittances. The built-in crypto wallet supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins, enabling quick and easy transfers. AirTM also features its own dollar-backed stablecoin, AirUSD, protecting against local currency fluctuations. Your security is paramount with two-factor authentication, encryption, and anti-fraud measures. The intuitive dashboard simplifies tracking transactions, converting currencies, and managing funds. Want to earn extra income? Become an AirTM escrow agent and earn commissions by facilitating trades. AirTM is ideal for anyone facing financial restrictions or seeking access to a global financial network beyond traditional banking. With low fees and competitive exchange rates, AirTM is a cost-effective way to manage both crypto and fiat currencies. Need a trustworthy, community-driven platform? AirTM is definitely worth considering. I hope this review was helpful. Check the description for links and more information.